Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Honda Pilot EXL. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 112,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.